Yesterday, one of my clients gave me a call. Hi Clarice, someone just unsubscribed from my email. How many people unsubscribed? 2 people unsubscribed. Should we stop sending them newsletter? What should we do? Am I going to lose all my subscribers? So essentially, your email list, the list of subscribers to what you send to them via email, information, content, showing them your cool videos, your blog posts, all this content, it's meant to nurture and it's a form of interaction with them to show them valuable information that they can use in their professional career, in their business, things like that. And when people unsubscribe, it means that potentially they are most likely not interested in what you are telling them. They're most likely not going to buy anything from you. So why should you bother about them? Let me put it this way. If you go and check out those people who unsubscribe from you, you can look at their activities. So for all the previous emails that you've sent them, you will probably see that they've never opened your emails at all, most of them, or not even clicked on any of the links in those emails. There were no interactions, it wasn't relevant to them, and they'll never buy. So forget about those people. Focus your energies on people who are interested in what you're selling, who are interested to hear what you say, interested in your expertise and want to learn from you so that they can do better in what they're doing. So instead of pulling your hair out, worrying about those people, think about what value can you provide to those people who are most likely to buy from you. So the next time, if you get any unsubscribers, don't bother, don't even think about it. So what do you think? Do you worry about people unsubscribing from your email list? Do you pull your hair out wondering what you have done wrong? Let me know in the comments below. I'd like to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this video, follow me for more exciting marketing tips and LinkedIn content.